Alright guys, in this video we're going to be talking about Solana, ticker symbol SOLUSD. I'll actually write it out for you guys. Now we have a couple of things to be going over right now on Solana. There you go right there, SOLUSD. And we're going to go over some old levels. We had an old resistance level, old support level. Don't worry, I'm going to put new support levels, new resistance on for Solana. Remember I gave you guys also two scenarios. We wanted to resistance level to break on the upside and have that secondary run, right? On the upside, that was the buy. Or it's going to run up to this resistance and actually come down and break the support. Now remember, I drew this out for you guys before it happened. Make sure you guys get this video over 50 likes if you guys appreciate this type of information that I'm giving you guys. Again, not financial advice, it's just levels and stuff I am looking at. Make sure you do your own due diligence. So resistance level hit and actually broke support level like I was showing you guys. That was the factor that we needed to wait for. Ran up, look how perfect it hit this resistance level also. Right around $39.20. Hit that resistance level perfect. Tried to hold support once, tried to hold support second, and support actually fell that third time where support was about $37.75. So now that that is done, let's go ahead and take all these levels off right now because it pretty much went the way of how I was drawing it out for you guys. So before we put the levels on there, we're going to do one history repeats on Solana. It's just this one little line. And then we're going to go over the lawsuit that's on Solana also, right? So I'll give you guys a little news before the levels. Don't forget, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, will.knowledge. Will.knowledge on Instagram. Let's give me over 1,000 followers. It'll take you 1 second. Go ahead and show your support. First, we do have a pattern. Solid price shows rejection of the 8-day EMA at 38.50, indicating that a retracement is likely. Okay, that's the only thing I want to show you guys from here. Okay, the only thing I want to show you guys. Next, Solana Labs having a lawsuit against it. Okay, the latest crypto legal battle that is underway happens to be against Solana Labs, among others. The class action lawsuit has been filed on behalf of Mark Young, a holder of SOL tokens, with the SEC versus Ripple seeing no immediate solution. Could another legal scrutiny dip the optimization of the crypto community? Okay, real quick, Solana is the Solana is now the center of legal action after California resident Mark Young pressed a lawsuit against them. The plaintiff has included Solana Labs and CEO, the name Solana Foundation VC firm Multicoin, and co-founder Kyle, along with trading platform Falcon X in the lawsuit. The lawsuit has been filed on behalf of other SOL investors since its inception on March 24, 2020 through the present. The lawsuit goes on to claim the SOL tokens are unregistered securities. Going ahead, the document states that defendants made enormous profits through the sale of SOL securities to retail investors in the United States in violation of the registration provisions of federal and state security laws, and the investors have suffered enormous losses. So that was the news that I wanted to go over for you guys. Go ahead and exit out of that. There goes my Instagram right there. Now, that might be some reason why we are seeing some pullback in Solana currently. Okay, so that is something we want to watch out for. So I will give you guys two main levels. This is the hourly chart, by the way, that I'm looking for on Solana. Now, I actually don't see any type of buying pressure until about $37.75. $34.75 is my buying level I'm looking at. It's really the only level I'm looking at because that level is a buying level, it's a support level all in one. Okay, so that's a major level I'm looking at, $74.75. Make sure you watch that. Now, with that being said, there is small resistance levels up here, but the big resistance level is right around $39. So that's really the only level I'm looking to break on the upside, is right around that $39 range. So if anything changes, I'll update you guys. But for right now, these are really the only two main levels to watch on Solana. You have to know Solana really hasn't been doing anything, right? It's kind of been building a little range right here ever since like July 6th, kind of just been trading up and down in here. So we'll kind of see if that starts to break out. And if it does, we'll start looking around that $34.75 area as the next level I'm looking at for some buying pressure for a next scalp. Or if it breaks this buying level and trends down, then we probably have to wait because it's been on a nice little up movement since about June 30th. And now it seems like it's getting a little heavier and starting to break down on that downside. So you don't want to get caught in that downside. So just make sure you watch it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Always remember, no recommendation of buyers. So anything, this is for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. I will catch you guys in that next one. Bye.